Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's adventure, I am taking you to the Boardwalk Resort at Disney World to a club level room. Let's do it. First of all, regard. So gorgeous. Look at this view. Look at this view. Sorry, I was like ready to dive right in and just amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. So I have never stayed club level before, and I have to tell you, it is quite an interesting experience. Alright, so for once, I'm going to start a room tour from the balcony. Now the balcony is rather small, so I'm gonna kind of maneuver so you can sort of see. It's tiny, but boy oh boy, it's all about that. I mean, look at that. So gorgeous. Now it's really funny, honestly, like if you're worried about noise, as soon as you close these doors, as crazy as it is right now, and it's super fun, you can't hear a thing. Like honestly, you cannot hear a thing. And I love the life. I love people having so much fun, running around, screaming, yelling. It's adorable, and it just makes me really happy. But most of all, I love those boats. All right, let's go in. So that's the patio. So don't, obviously it's small. So don't think that, you're not going to have parties out there. It's going to be the romantic type. Now, I just want to show you an overview. This room is very large. I didn't ask for anything other than club level with a lake view, but it has 2 TVs. And obviously this pulls out, and it's very spacious. There's way too much room in here, honestly, but it's lovely. It definitely, I'm going to say right now, hold on, let me close the door. What was I saying about the music? People are having a great time. Honestly, as I'm looking at the couch, it is very, it seems very worn. I'm going to tell you that. I'm going to be very honest. This couch is so incredibly uncomfortable. Like, look at how sorry, I tried to get comfortable on it to watch something on TV. It's like hard as rock. And I get it. I mean, it's a pull out, but no, I don't get it. No, not great. And this couch, sorry, this chair is so horribly, even worse. So could it use an upgrade? Oh my goodness, yes. I mean, you can feel it. Oh, look at the sunset. This is so crazy. That's so beautiful. But moving on. The beds are incredibly comfortable. Just so nice, luxurious. I mean, Disney just knows how to do it. They know the right level of layering, the right pillows, and yet another TV. And I love the desk area. I will be working here. And just, there's tons of space. Love that. Safe, the whole thing. We've got, of course, a little mini bar. It's empty, but that's all good. And then beautiful double sinks. And very spacious and lovely bathroom. So that's a club level. You know, it's basically just another, it's much bigger than a standard. But it's like you don't really know what to do with this extra space. And it's very unfortunate that this furniture is so incredibly uncomfortable and dated. I mean, it's really dated. Wow. But let's get back to the best. Boardwalk. My room is literally over my head right now. Oh my gosh, the food is so spectacular. So I just ordered the pork belly appetizer. It's hard to believe it's an appetizer. This is literally the most moist, tender pork belly I've ever had in my life. It's like the most gorgeous piece of bacon. That's not even fair. It's pork belly. You don't even need really a knife to cut it. It melts in your mouth. It is amazing. But then there's this little square of fried gorgeousness on the side. I am so lucky that I took a picture of it before because it's a massive hurt right now. So it's so good. This is the first thing I've ever had here. I have never eaten here before. This is a good sign of things to come. I'm just going to get a bunch of appetizers, but I can't wait. This place is beautiful, and I love that the kitchen is right there. You can see everything, and that, to me, is everything. So I am loving this. What a beautiful addition to the boardwalk, and like the restaurants that are already here. So you have Big River down there, which is a casual, fun brewery with great burgers and salads. And then, you know, there's so many fun places here. You've got the ice cream place, you've got the pizza place, you've got the Italian place, you've got the bakery, on and on and on. But this place, next level. Well done. Something that you know I love to do. I love to sit at the bar. The service here is so impeccable. Like, Disney's already at a 10, but the this is at 11. Like, I came in, I'm by myself. I was like, I'll take a seat at the bar, whatever. It was totally full. So I had to put my name in. There was like 4 or 5 amazing people that worked here that cared so much about getting me a seat. That was so incredible and spectacular. Like, my experience is already just heightened because of that. And like, I don't know, it just means so much to me when there's service that is like this level. But let alone like, look at this bar. Like, look at how gorgeous this bar is. This bar is so amazing. How do they do this? Look at this bar. So cool. I don't know. I'm so impressed with this place. I literally like have always thought this was like a seafood restaurant. I'd never seen inside here until now, so I'm very impressed. So one thing I wanted to point out that to me is truly what makes this experience unique and worth all the money in the world is the service. Like, the way that you're taken care of with the people that are working the club level food area. It's called the Innkeepers Club, which is very cool. I love it. And but honestly, like, the reason I would do this is because the concierge service is so spectacular. Like, you can still get this in the hotel itself, and you do have to come sometimes wait in line and whatever, but they're so good about it here. Look at, there goes the boat. I love it. So cute. I love it when it turns around. You can get this in the regular hotel, but the club level is assigned a personal concierge for that level, which means she basically knows your name and you can ask her anything in the world. Oh, I don't know, such as, I just asked her to get me fireworks tickets, treats and seats, fireworks, dessert party tickets at the Magic Kingdom. Boom, instantly like that happened. So again, you do have a concierge at the regular hotels when you stay here, but there's just something incredibly magical about having this person that you can literally ask anything to. I needed to change my park reservation instantly. Like, it's just, the service is, it's insane.